Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will to learn how to make assembly and animation bolt and nut in SolidWorks like this. Just search it. So click stop and click here and new assembly, just click OK. And input the bolt and nut. In here I have a bolt and nut. Just click control bolt and nut and click open like this and this. We can to change the background in plain white. The bolt is diameter is 12 millimeter, M12 by 1.5. The pitch is 1.5. We can check, evaluate, and click measure. In here, click this edge. Diameter is 12 millimeter. We can to check of the pitch. Click sketch and click line. In here, click this face like this, and draw line this point to this point, and smart dimension. The pitch is 1.5 millimeter like this. For the pitch is 1.5. We can trim entities and click exit sketch. First, select this and click view temporary axis, and automatically the axis from the nut and bolt appear like this. The axis. And click assembly, click mate selection, click this axis and click this axis, and click coincident and click add or finish mate like this. And automatically we can to drag the nut like this. Then we can to click. Then the way is click section view. Section view we can click this and we want to select right plane or the bolt like this. Just click OK on the bolt part, and we can see in section view from right plane. Just click OK like this. We want to match in here this edge and this edge in here for each thread, for this face and this face, with a mechanical mate. So the way is simple. Select mate again and click mechanical. Ensure you select in secure and mate selection. Select top face in here, top face, and click this axis. Ensure you select top screw, and in here select in here distance or revolution. The pitch is 1.5, so input in here 1.5 millimeter. Okay. The direction in here is it through, so just click OK. Just click OK and click again section view. We can to rotate like this for a thread from mechanical screw like this. It's simple, but in here we can see if we rotate the nut like this, it have a no limit like this. But in here have now have a thread in here is clear thread. So we're going to just set a limit. We can to check in evaluate and measure. For in here I can clear section. Click this point and click this face. The distance is 5 millimeter. Normal distance is 5 millimeter. Normally 5 millimeter. And we can to check evaluate from this face and this face is 40 millimeter. The normal is 40 millimeter. So just click assembly again and click mate. Click on advance and click here for distance. Set in here the total this face to this face is 40 millimeter, and this is in below limit is 5 millimeter from the distance this face and this face the thread. Match selection, click this face and this face like this, ensure you input 40 millimeter for this face and this face, and 5 millimeter in here, this face and this not face. Just click OK. Okay, in here have adjust limit, so we not gain in here, and we can to check in here the maximum in here 40. Rotate like this. Then we just to make animation with motion study in here. Just click. If the motion study is not appear on your menu, don't panic. Just right click and click toolbars. Ensure you click motions manager like this. In here I just click motion study 1 and we can click this. For the time I set in 21 second and click motion study properties. From frame per second I set in 60. Just click OK and add the motor. Click motor, rotary motor, and edge. Click this edge or the nut in here. And for motion is constant speed. In here we can change in 50 revolution per minute like this. Per minute, 50 revolution per minute like this. Click rotary motor, just click OK. And we can to just click calculate like this. So automatically the nut it's rotate like this. It's simple to make assembly and animation ball and nut in SolidWorks like this. We can to after the finish we can to click looping in here. Playback mode is loop, as automatically it's repeat. We can see in here automatically is repeat like this. Okay, you can save in here, save animation, maybe in MP4 or anything you like. Okay, I think enough. I hope this tutorial help you. Thank you for watching until the end video. I apologize if there are any mistake of our in this material. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.